One of the things that I found in my personal journey with hormones, by putting my body under extreme duress, I actually tanked my testosterone and not realizing that the byproduct from having hormonal imbalances was anxiety, depression, anger, poor muscle gain, weight loss. There was so many negative impacts on my body from having an imbalance that I had no idea was going on until I did some labs. It's really easy to get your labs done in whatever state that you live in. So if you're interested and I want to get some blood work done, I want to know where I am, kind of see that metabolic state, you just go to bioperformance.com, go to get started on the hormone page, you fill out your patient intake. As soon as you do that online, it creates your patient portal. This is all HIPAA compliant. Then from there, it will generate your lab requisition to Quest Diagnostics, and you go to whatever closest Quest Diagnostics is to you, and they're all over the United States. You get your blood work done, and then everything from there is done on your couch. It's in your privacy of your home. It's all done via telemedicine. So a doctor, our call center will contact you. They'll schedule an appointment and they'll go through your results right over the phone, giving you a functional medicine consult, looking over things from sleep architecture to diet to exercise to medications, taking into account health challenges and figuring out what's the best plan of action for you to move forward, so you can then choose those things that you choose to move forward with in your individualized plan of care.